Hello, hello. Welcome to our sauna. I'm coming to you today to talk about what I'm doing to prepare my body to grow a human from the sauna. And so yes, I just did a nice 20-minute burst workout, and so I'm dripping sweat, and now I'm spending, actually I only have time for 15 minutes in the sauna, but it's better than nothing. So there are a lot of amazing benefits of a sauna. Ours is a infrared sauna. It helps your body detox. I personally like to get in here, and I might even be echoing. I like to get in here and just do some stretching. And I also go through a routine of lymph pumping. So that is something you can just YouTube one of those videos, or actually we'll probably do one day. But just pumping your lymph, moving your lymph is really amazing to do while you're in the sauna. And of course you're sweating, so you're getting toxins out. Sometimes I'll even take a bind or some form of an activated charcoal, true carbon cleanse, something like that before I get in the sauna, because we know as your body is dumping toxins, we want a catcher's mitt. We want something in the gut that's going to catch that. And if you instantly thought about turning the video off, I have to switch arms because my arms are tired from my workout, which is great. There was like 500 mountain climbers. But if you instantly were just kind of discounting the whole sauna idea, like, hey, they're expensive, I don't have one, whatever the case is, let me just tell you, my husband, who is a really amazing finder of things on Craigslist, he found this baby as a 2-person sauna on Craigslist for like $300 because somebody was moving. There's always someone that has had a piece of equipment, they're moving, there's always a situation. So really encourage you to check out Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and any of those other places where you can get a used piece of equipment. And there's a lot of varieties. Sunlight has a really cool collapsible one if you're lacking space. The collapsible one, it's small enough you can put on a massage table. And it's really cool. You just lay in that and sweat, and it's amazing. Another quick side note, when I first started getting in the sauna, I literally thought I was having an asthma attack. I was like, no, this is just not my jam. I can't do this. But once I eased into it, okay, I did like 7 minutes, and the next time I could do like 12 minutes. And now I can do like 25 if I had the time. I'd probably do 30 or 35, but your body adapts to it, and then it's like I became a more efficient sweater even. That's a thing, more efficient sweater. But it's just really cool. That's what I'm doing today. I try to get in here 2 to 3 times a week, usually once a week. I high five myself twice a week. I check the goal off, and 3 times is like, yeah, I don't know. Sometimes we get in here if we feel like we're fighting something off, but it really is amazing for all of the processes going on in your body. And if you're trying to prepare your body to grow a human, you should think about doing some sauna time. Okay, see you soon.